When will the bus arrive? It looks like it's going to rain soon. Oh, the bus is here! Let's get on! Wow, I really love Korean and Chinese food.
Hi, I wanted to place an order for sushi pizza. Yes, that's a large pepperoni and 2 sushi platters. How's the sushi coming along?
Almost ready, chef. Great.
The delivery is ready. You can take it.
Okay, thank you. Hey, what was that for? You got me all wet. Here's your order.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.